Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand CleanSpeak dryer, and on the display it's giving you an F02 error, and you're trying to figure out what this error is and what you need to do to fix it. First of all, what it is this is an outlet thermistor error, which is the thermistor is basically the air temperature sensor that senses the temperature of the air coming out of the dryer. There's something wrong with that and will most likely need to be replaced. So if you've tried a hard restart on the dryer, which is to disconnect it from power for a full minute to see if that clears the error out, and the error persists, you will need to replace the thermistor. Now this is a moderately easy thing to do. I'll put a link in the description to actually how to replace the thermistor. I'll also put a link in the description about where you can get the thermistor. You just want to make sure that you check with the specific model that you have that the thermistor is compatible with that specific model. But once you've replaced that thermistor, you should be able to get rid of this error and get your dryer working properly.